In this video you are going to see the setup process for the old iPad which is running with 18 iOS 18 right now. So I have resetted it for the new thing purpose, and I have been done it, not done it more than 5 years, so I have done it. So let me show you how to connect with using my phone. Selecting the language India region. So it is taking some time to setting up. Appearance default I am selecting. Quick setup iPad. Setup with another device, I am going to select this option. Setup letter and settings. No, I am not going to select any other things, so I will choose this option. And this thing I have to set the password for Wi-Fi. So I have connected with to the internet and shown some time, wait for some time, and now it is showing this message. So pressing continue. So adult. So now I am going to set up the touch ID. Actually selecting multiple fingers. లెఫ్ట్ చెయ్యి అనేదాకా ఉండించాలంట. So I have set it. Next, continue. I am selecting the columns for the fingers. So complete setup process is complete. Now I am setting the passcode. For that, wait for a minute. Re-entering it. So for setting up the product, it is taking some time. So from iCloud I am selecting because I have done it in the last, right? So let me select it. So I am going to enter the details. Using other device to sign up option. So bring device nearby. It is showing. For the same I am going to on Bluetooth and all. Okay, now it is shown get started. Have to enter. Need to scan this code. Look at this. Everything is now done with this iPhone only. Done, completed. Better you read the all terms and conditions provided by the Apple always. It is taking some time. Actually I am entering my old password, but it is tracking over there. Let me try. Okay, it is taking time because once again it is loading. Finally it is continuing. I am sharing all the data because no issues for me in sharing. I will select female version. It is good to say. Hey Siri, how is the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. After artificial intelligence came, Siri has been failed, no issues. Even though we can do some of the things like calculations right now also. I am not going to share audio recordings, that's why I am choosing not now. So completely finished. It is showing settings right now. Let me show you what is the storage available. It is 32 GB storage version, but available is 19.2 GB is available. That's good enough. So that's it for this setup video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye. Please do your valuable feedback in the comment section.